Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Godefroy 4 Applications Tint Kit, light brown. It also stays on for about a month, which is really nice, so you don't have to do it a bunch. Great tint package. This has 4 applications in it, and it is a nice natural look for blonde. Makes your eyebrows real dark, so if that's what you're looking for, then go for it. Blonde hair, and brows with hard to cover gray hairs mixed in. Color needed to be left on grays longer, about 5 minutes total. Why pay $20 a pop at the salon when you can do it home cheaper? Some are quite dark, but mostly they are varying shades of red, or brown. Not to mention the price is amazing for the amount you get, and the longevity of your brows. Easy to apply with a cotton swab, true to color, and lasts for about 3 weeks. Second time it on a little too long, but lightened up in a few days. Make sure to only keep it on for a minute, or 2. Or it might be too dark. Pay attention to the times it tells you to leave on, they are very exact. Works very well. This way, if there is some staining left, you can remove it in the shower with sponge, hot water, and soap. Make sure that all brow hairs are laying flat under the mixture, and not sticking out. So if you mind experimenting with your brows, go ahead and purchase, but proceed with caution when timing your tint. May not last quite as long, but doesn't stain your face at all, and literally takes less than 5 minutes. This kit comes with capsules that are easy to open, dispense, and close back up. This product works great, and saves me from having to apply brow makeup for a few days, up to a week. There was some very minor staining, but it came off with makeup at the end of the day. It only takes a few minutes to get the right color, and the color does not fade, unless you want all the skin dyed underneath the eyebrows so you have that fake, plastered, painted eyebrow look, then forget it. If you do want that look, you can always reapply if you want it darker, and they provide enough product to last a very long time if you had a way to store it. Watch videos on YouTube of dyers before you try it yourself, and good luck. They also are not kidding when they say you should patch test. This color is kind of ashy, not a warm tone light brown like the box would suggest. The color is great. Lots of product in one capsule, and it comes with 4. It doesn't smell of chemicals, and it only takes 3 minutes to color the brows. But if you visited an actual tint specialist, then you know the real process of tinting your eyebrows. Put a decent amount of Vaseline around your brows, and put down a large piece of tinfoil, especially if you have light-colored counters flooring. She was ecstatic to see how great her eyebrows turned out, and so was I. Simple. Mix even amounts of the products, apply, don't leave it on too long, wipe off with a damp cotton ball. Applying was super easy, and took maybe 2 minutes, and then another 4 to process. There is nowhere in the product description to tell you that this is eyebrow tattoo. The main problem is it doesn't mix well, and only comes with 1 plastic tray. As far as the product itself, it's great, but save yourself some money, and don't buy this one. Todas las cápsulas vinieron abiertas en la caja y el pomo de oxigenada todo estripado y vacío. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.